Hello, welcome to C Sharp interview question and answer video series. In this video, I will be talking about ref, out and val keyword used. The ref and out keyword in C Sharp is used for passing argument to a method as a reference type. It means that any changes made to the argument in the method will be reflected in that variable when controls come back to the calling method. These keywords are generally used when a method returns multiple values. Make a note that by default, parameters are passed as a val type. In order to pass reference type or out type parameter, you have to explicitly specify ref and out keyword in the function. Both ref and out are treated differently at the runtime, but these are treated same as the compile time. Let's see that in picture. Flipping to variable int first number equal to 100, and let me create another variable and let me initialize it to 100, and let's pass these two parameters get modified values. Let's pass these two parameters to this function, first number and second number. So while passing the parameter to second type, let me pass it as ref, and if I have not specified any type to the first argument, it will be treated as val type. Let's get the method skeleton, and in the function let's change the value to 200 and second number equal to 200, and let's try to print this value in the main function, which is first number and this is second number. Let's run the application, and here we go. You can see the output. The first output is 100. That means the parameter what I had passed using the val, it didn't change in the main method, whereas the second parameter which I had passed using ref, its value got changed as we had modified into the called method. Same I can use third variable, third number equal to 100, and let me pass this using out third number, and here it will be out int third number, and let me try to modify this variable to 300, and let me try to print it in the main function, so it comes as third number. Let's run the application, and here we see the output. In the first scenario, the parameter was passed as a val, it didn't change the value. In case of second parameter, where I had passed variable using the ref, its value got changed. In the third parameter, its value got changed. So question here is, what is difference between ref and out keyword? Although these two are working same, the only difference is that in case of ref parameter, you have to initialize your variable before it is passed to a function, whereas in case of out parameter, this variable must be initialized inside the call method. In second scenario, most of the frequently asked question is, what if I instantiate a class and pass class as a parameter? If property of that object is changed inside the called method, will it reflect back in the called method? Answer is yes. So let me create a class student, and let's say it has got one property id, and let me instantiate this class student as equal to new student, and s dot id equal to 100, and let me pass this object as a parameter, get value s. Alt shift F10, and I get the method skeleton, and let me try to change its value here. Let's make it 10,000, And let me try to print this value in the main function s.id. Let's see what is output. As you can see, output comes as 10,000 because when you passed this object as a parameter, it got passed as a reference memory address. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.